Easy name to remember. So I've been in the US for a long time. Any of you want to guess how many years I've been here? I've been here 48 years. So I came in 1977 and I did electronic export for 20 years. Then exited out of the business and we've been doing the business for the last 22 years. So how many of you know those? Okay. So, of course we make batter and so my famous terminology is we have been battering people for the last 22 years. We try to make dough out of dough. So, what is a dosa? Dosa is a vegan, probiotic, naturally fermented, healthy product. And all the ingredients are, non-GMO. We have certificates, etc. And we are right now in about 300 plus stores, mostly in the West Coast. We have been in Costco for the last 4 years. So we like to think that as an occupation, as the first dosa batter in Costco. And right now, of course, we are going through a lot of turmoil because of the tariffs, etc. But anyway, that is part of life. So that is where we are. So thank you very much for coming. So Prabhu and Vaiti will take care of it. Any questions for me? So what exactly do you guys do? My daughter used to work for UCSF.
So we are part of the Occupational and Medicine program. And we look mostly on 1 month we look at the beginning of the training cycle. Where we go to different industries and areas and see what are the jobs. So we go to different industries, like we go to recycling plant, we go to Pixar, we go to like a mining facility to make sure that what other, like mostly we look at the hazards like physical, chemical, biological.
Okay.
In that aspect we categorize and see like what are the things we for workers to get in the setting of the job. And main thing it's just an exercise for them and they go back to see, okay, they just write an assignment to say, okay, what are the things which it's just internally, just for learning experience, and it gets evaluated by one of the faculty members. Okay, this site visit we had seen so much in the category of physical, chemical, biological, and this is what the employer has put in force. This could be if we have one more extra piece if we really good. It's just a recommendation.
So we like to think ourselves as the Tesla for dosa manufacturing. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for having us. Viral on the YouTube?
Yeah, now you can,
You have to drip more.
Just
There goes the
when
volume.
you go to the one you're asking.
You say
Oh, that one's good.
it's just like you're giving a paint and brush
Oh, you were there.
Yeah.
to an artist so that they can start painting on the paper just like that.
Well done.
Mm-hmm.
Now the tricky part is.
He tells me you have to wait until the same,
It's
same
not
level.
ready yet.
It's not ready.
He might not take.
It's not
I don't
ready.
know the politics of
You want to try?
first professor
Because
versus
here the battery is still.
They have
Yeah.
something to do with economics.
So,
So, like,
give it a
one
minute
gene
and then,
falls
normally it
into
takes
the
about
process of gene
1.5 minutes.
You mean the Prevent seminar?
Prevent was, it was a way for us to get certain.
I wish there was
Yeah,
like
it was also.
spice we could put on it.
Oh, yeah, yeah. But
Yeah.
I kind of have these guys doing something
Maybe
else.
we
that
could
might
do
put
a
on.
ham
Maybe see.
thing.
We can just avoid that on Tuesday. It's not like we have to do it in I feel like we were doing half the teaching in that class.
I mean, it was very much participation based.
It's
You
coming
can't not
back
put
to
these
the
only
spice.
like 5 students.
Oh.
And 2 faculty. like,
I don't have the
everyone took
powder here.
Sophie, you're supervising?
Sophie's the attending. Sophie's the attending. I'm the procedure doing resident.
Yes, it's a lab.
This is a lab?
Just making sure that
Counts for
everything
easy
gets-
birthday. It's a simulation.
yes, simulation.
This is one of our breath
That was
classes.
what we needed.
You would learn more in this in a breath class than you would in an actual
Yeah,
breath class.
exactly. Situational awareness.
It is sad.
Hands
very
on
sad.
stage.
What's that like in real life, just with 3 of our classes?
I think that's going to turn out very crispy.
Oh yeah.
No.
Only one of them.
Center might
Yeah,
not.
center might not.
Vaidhi is debating.
Guys, give it 100,
The other one's like-
110. UCSF,
What?
stall,
John.
breakfast, stall,
Oh, sure.
tomorrow morning.
That's our moonlight.
It's
Give it-
so,
give it- give it
it's
a
so
minute.
perfect.
So the steam has to subside.
So John, $2 cricket.
Extra for the
That's
add-on.
very cheap.
No, I think he as a starter, so people have to like him, right? Then you can make it $10
It's
after
about
3-4 days.
$10 a piece, yeah, it's a good deal.
Just pull up your stall.
So let us get a mobile van, truck, food truck.
Yeah.
Fully organic.
There
We
you
have to
go.
rent their
That is the
truck.
most traditional one that you
Woo!
can do.
Yay, John!
Don't put it on anybody's face, okay?
I agree.